And, I think this is another great example of the collaboration between Ylopo and Chime. Like this, routing rules section didn't have tags originally, right? I think there were a couple other things that were missing right here. We told you guys about it. And because you guys are focused on the CRM, we're focused on lead gen, you were able to knock that out in like a month, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, when you're working with two platforms that are best in class, that have a great integration, that's the advantage, right? We stay in our lane, we move very quickly in our lane.
Mm-hmm. That's a great point. We are hyper focused on providing the best possible CRM style technology in the industry, and G and Ylopo are hyper focused in creating the best marketing technology in the industry. So when you are going down the path of working with a quote unquote all-in-one solution, they are trying to provide solutions for both, and generally one gets left out of the equation. Or they try to serve both, and they just it results in an inferior product. So that's a very good point.
Exactly right. Yep.